Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about data representation in computer. So let's start. Computer understand data as a set of electronic pulses. The presence of a pulse in a circuit is represented by 1 and its absence by 0. Computer uses the binary digits 0 and 1 to store data. A binary digit or bit is the smallest unit of data in computing. It is represented by a 0 or a 1. Combination of 4 bits is called a nibble. Combination of 8 bits or 2 nibbles is known as a byte. Measurement of memory are 8 bit is equal to 1 byte. 1024 byte is equal to 1 kilobyte. It's represented by KB. 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte means MB. 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte means GB. 124 GB is equal to 1 terabyte means TB. Number system. Data representation in computer uses following types of number system. First is binary number system. Second is decimal number system. Next is octal number system. And next is hexadecimal number system. Now I'll tell you about binary number system. In binary number system, we uses two digits, that is 0 and 1. Therefore, the base of binary number system is 2. Now I'll tell you about arithmetic operations in binary numbers. The first is binary addition. Two binary numbers can be added using following rules. You have to follow these rules. Like 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with carry of 1 to next higher number. For example, I have taken here number 1 0 0 1 0 1 and next number is 1 0 1 1 0. We will add this. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 like this. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Again 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 like this. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with carry 1 means here 0 or here will be 1. Then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 according to this rule. 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 like this. Then 1. Your answer will be 1 1 1 0 1 1. So next is binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is done by following multiplication rules. You have to remember this rule. 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. For example, I have taken here 1001 multiplied by 10. 0 multiplied by 0 as it is 0 0 0 0. 1 multiplied by 1, this is 1. 1 multiplied by 0 0. 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now we have to add these two numbers. In this also, when we will add the numbers, we have to follow that rule, addition number. 0 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That 1. Your answer will be 1 0 0 1 0. Next is binary subtractions. Binary subtraction is done using following rule. In this also you have to follow this rule. 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 with a borrow of 1 from next higher number. Means in this we have to borrow 1. For example, I have taken here 1 0 1 1 0 and subtract by 1 0 1. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is equal to 1 like this. 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. So I have written here 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 is borrow. So here will be 1. 1 and 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 0, 0 and then 1. So your number will be 1 0 0 0 1. Like this. Next is binary division. Binary division is performed just like decimal division using following rule. 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0, 1 divided by 0 is equal to 0, 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0, 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Like I have taken here 10, and we will divide number 1 0 1 1, 10 1 ja 10, it will be cut. Then I'll take next number 1. Again I have two next number, so I have to give here 0. Then again I'll take here 1. After that 10 1 ja 10. So here is 101 is quotation and 01 is your remainder. Decimal number system. It is a number system that uses digit from 0 to 9. The base of the number system is therefore 10. In our daily life we use decimal number system. Octal number system. It is a number system that uses digits from 0 to 7. The base of this number system is therefore 8. Hexadecimal number system. It is a number system that comprises of digits from 0 to 15. It has a base of 16. And this we use 0 to 9 numbers in their original form. But from 10 to 15 they are represented as 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, 15 as F. The last number is 15 and your digit is F. Now I'll tell you how you can convert decimal number to binary. To convert a binary into its equivalent in another number system, first divide the number by the base of the target number system. Like I have taken here one number, like I have taken 10. Its base 10 means it's a decimal number. Simply we have to divide it by 2 because we are converting it in binary number system. 10 divided by 2, 2 5 is 10, remainder is 0. 2 2 is 4, remainder is 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 0. And this is also your remainder. After that we have to write it in reverse order, like 1 then 0 then 1 then 0, 1 0 1 0. This is your binary number. Converting, how you can convert binary to decimal number? I'll tell you. Converting binary to decimal number. This conversion is reverse of binary, that is multiplication instead of division. Like I have taken this number again. This is binary number, so I am taking here. For example, 1010 basis 2 means it's your binary number system. We'll convert it in decimal. So we have to multiply by 2 because binary number system base is 2. Then we have to give here power. According to rule, we have to start power from the 0. 0, then 1, 2, 3 and so on. So we will do this. Firstly we will solve the power. 2 to the power 0 means 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 1 ja 2, 1 ja 2. 2 2 is 4 into 0 is equal to 0. Here power of 2 is 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, like 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. After that we have to add this. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. It will be converted in decimal.